Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button. Today I'll be showing you how to use Linux on your phone. The app that we will use to run Linux is called Termux. Unfortunately, it's unavailable on Google's Play Store. It's available on GitHub. To get the app, all you have to do is open up GitHub. You'll find the link in the description of this video. Scroll down a little bit until you find Termux. Tap on that. Tap on download. Wait for it till it completes the download. The app that you can use on the iPhone is called ISH Shell. You'll find the link in the description of this video. The download is complete. Tap on it. Open it up with the package installer. I have to hit update because I have it already installed on my phone. Wait till the installation is complete. Let's open it up. Voila, we have Linux on our phone. Let's clear this text. pwd to find out in which directory we are. if config till we find out our IP address. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell button till you never miss another video.